So what's going on, guys? In this video I'm gonna show you how to use presets, how to create presets in Adobe Premiere Pro 2020. But before I start, just gotta remind you, make sure to give it a like, and also if you have some problems, if you have some questions, comment down below the video and I will try to respond. And yeah, let's move on point. How? But before I show you how to create a presets, just wanna show you for what are actually useful these presets. So let's say we want to create some text here. Let's say that's hello, and also let's change the design a little bit. Yeah, black. Let's make it purple. Wait, why? Let's make it purple, I said. And yeah, but yeah, we created the text, but we wanna use this text very often in our video, so it will take a lot of time if we are creating it every single time. Yeah, right. So how to make it like a shortcut to something right here and to use it? So here is how. That is why presets are created in Adobe Premiere, to make your work more easier. So here is how. Just click on the text here and click here text, and now right click it, save preset, and now you can name the preset how you want it. Let's say hello. And now how to put this text here in the video. Just click here, effects, and search for this preset that you created. Hello, here is, and now click on text here, click on the video, and now you don't have to type anything, just drag the preset, now put it here, and as you can see you have the same text here. That is how to save and create presets. It's working also for position, for scale, rotation here, I mean for the motion. Just let me show you how. Just let's say we have two videos. This is the first one, this is the second one. Let's say this video is in this position like this. Let's save like this, and now we want to make this one as the same, with the same position. How? Just click here, motion with a right click, and then save preset, name the preset like motion, like this. And now let's say we want to make the same with the same coordinates this video. Just click here on the motion, or just if you can find it, just search it motion like that and drag it here, and as you can see now you have the same coordinates as the first one video. And that's how to create presets and to use them. It's working for text, for motion, and also for opacity, for time remapping and others. So if I helped you out, make sure to give it a like, and as I said, if you have some problems, some questions, comment down below the video in the comments and I'll try to respond. And see you in the next video. Bye.